Hey guys, it's Riley from Science Girl, and today we are going to be making DIY moon sand or kinetic sand, whatever you call it, but I'm going to be calling it moon sand. So for this, we're going to need sand, cornstarch, soapy water, and food dye if you would like, and of course gloves because you don't want to dye your hands. I have done that before and I am taking a precaution. So let's start. Also, we're going to need a big bowl. So we first need 3 cups of sand. One. Two. Three. Okay. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to add the 2 cups of cornstarch, so let's open this up. Why does nothing open for me? Ow. Okay, now I just feel dumb. I'm just gonna put it like that. I'm gonna have to dump it in. Come here. There we go. 1. Oh my. Come on. Okay, so we're pretty much using a whole bag here. Wow. This is messy, messy, messy. Get as much off as I can. Now I'm going to slip on my gloves. Now we just need to mix these 2 up. Use your hands for this and not a spoon because it gives it more of an opportunity to really mix. After we make it, we're going to be seeing what this sand can do. So we might chop it, cut it, that sort of thing. See what it does. Shape it. Okay, so I finished mixing. It should look somewhat like this. Now we're going to add the soapy water and we're going to mix it with our hands again. It's pulling down my gloves. It's one thing that we cannot have. As you can see, it's already starting to act like moon sand. Oh my. I don't know why this is coming out sort of like this. Shouldn't be. We'll continue on with the project and we'll see what happens because it is starting to actually chunk up a little with it. There we go. It's actually starting to become sand. Sort of more like oobleck than sand. I already have an oobleck video, so that would not be good. Yeah, I think that I had too much soap or too much water. Maybe not enough soap. Because the source that I got this from didn't specify how much soap. Yeah, this is not moon sand. But we're going to continue with the project. Either it's a nail it or fail it on this channel. And this is definitely looking like a fail. Oh, God. Yeah, this is more like oobleck. Yeah, not gonna work. I'm not even going to bother adding the dye because that's just going to make it even worse. Yeah, not too good. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit more sand, so let me cut out here so that I can get a little bit of help because can't really take these off. So I'll be back in a minute. It's not going to be like the store-bought stuff, of course, but it does work. So now, if you do want to, it's a little bit hard, but you can now add dye. I am going to because I just want to, but you don't have to. And also feel free to play around with the recipe a little. Not fast, it's going to take too long. So feel free to play around with the recipe a little bit because this stuff is a little bit harder than normal moon sand, but it does work the exact same way. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your name down in the comments below for a shout out during my next video. I love you guys. Have a great day, but for now, this is Science.